Hi guys, Root Beer here, looking at question number 14 on the 7th grade level Gauss math contest. And what year is that? 2004. Okay, question 14. How many even whole numbers lie between 3 squared and 3 cubed? So first thing, it might be a good idea to get a sense of what are those two numbers. If you don't know off the top of your head, 3 squared is 9, and 3 cubed is 27. Of course, you could just multiply them out. 3 times 3, and 3 times 3 times 3. Okay? So one thing we could do is we could just try and list these guys out. We want even whole numbers, so 10, 12, 13, but I don't want to write all of them out. I'm going to because it's a valid strategy, but there are faster ways to do this question. So here are all the numbers, and we want between. So that's 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is our answer. And that's one way to do it. And that really didn't take us too long. But it's a B-part question. We want to be doing these ones fairly snappily, because the harder questions for us are going to be you're 19, you're 20, you're 23, you're 25. Those are the hard questions. So any little time we can save on a question like this, using shortcuts or mathematical thinking, is something that we want to take advantage of. Okay? So, how would I do this a little quicker? Okay? Well, the number of numbers between 27 and 9 is not 18. You actually have to subtract off another one, because what that's doing is counting all the numbers that you come after 9 until you get to 27. So 27 minus 9, not 18. You actually have to subtract off another one. Okay? So there are 17 numbers, and that's why I think if you forget that the word even is there and just say whole numbers that lie between there, you get an answer of 17, which is E, and that would be wrong. We want 9. Okay? So how do we turn the 17 numbers between 9 and 27 into even numbers between 9 and 27? Well, first realize that half of all numbers are even and half of them are odd. So if I take this 17, divide it by 2, that should roughly tell me how many even numbers are in the list between our endpoints of 27 and 9. Okay, those are the big ones at the end. We don't count those. It's everything in between. And 17 over 2 is 8.5. So either we have 8 even and 9 odd, or we have 8 odd and 9 even. There's no way we could have 7 odd and 10 even. We'd have too many evens for odd, because it has to go even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, or odd, even, and so on. Okay? So we've narrowed it down to 8 for our even numbers or 9 for our even numbers. We just sort of need to figure out which it is. And when I think about it, I think, oh, I'm going to go 9, then 10, which is an even, then a not even, then an even, then a not even. So I start out with evens. Then when I think about it coming all the way down to the end, I think, okay, it'll go an even, and then an odd, so one we don't care about, 26 and 27. So I get pairs, and then accounting for my evens and odds, and then I get one extra even, which is 26. So I'm going to have one extra even. I can't have more odds than evens at that point. I have to have 8 odd and 9 even. So 9 is our answer. And what was that? Was that A? Yeah, 9A. Okay. I'm going to flip the page in anticipation of our next question. And that's going to be question number 15. So join me for that one. And if you haven't taken a look at it, by all means, before watching the next video, have yourself a gander at that question and give it a bit of a go. Okay? Thanks for watching.